Today I am reviewing the Intel NUC12 Gaming Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Despite its small size, measuring just 9.1 inches by 7.1 inches and only 2.4 inches tall, this mini powerhouse delivers desktop-class performance that can rival many full-sized gaming rigs. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or professional looking for a versatile system, this machine checks all the boxes. At the heart of the NUC12 is the impressive Intel 11th Gen Core i7-12700H processor. This CPU can turbo boost up to 4.7 GHz, offering 14 cores and 20 threads that handle everything from gaming to heavy multitasking with ease. Coupled with 32 GB of dual-channel DDR4 200 MHz RAM, which is already a generous amount for modern gaming and productivity tasks, the system ensures smooth, lag-free performance no matter the workload. And if you ever need more memory, the NUC12 allows upgrades up to 64 GB, future-proofing your investment. The graphics are powered by the discrete Intel Arc A770M GPU with 16 GB of GDDR6 VRM. This is a standout feature because discrete graphics in a mini PC this size is rare. The A770M lets you run modern AAA games, streaming, and creative workloads like video editing at impressive frame rates without overheating or throttling. Plus, you get the Intel Iris, say, integrated graphics for lighter tasks or multi-display setups, giving you flexibility and efficiency. Speaking of displays, this mini gaming PC supports up to 4 4K monitors simultaneously or a single screen at up to 8K resolution. It comes loaded with an array of feature-rich ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 6 USB 3.2 ports, HDMI 2.1, 2 mini DisplayPort 2.0 connectors, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port. This extensive connectivity lets you connect everything you need, from external storage and VR headsets to multiple high-res displays, without hassle. Storage is handled by a blazing fast 1 TB PCIe Gen4 SSD, ensuring ultra-quick boot times, rapid game load speeds, and fast file transfers. Plus, there's support for an additional 2.5-inch SATA drive if you want to add more storage space down the line. The system runs Windows 11 Pro, optimized for gaming and productivity, with the latest security features and support for DirectX 12 Ultimate, which boosts game visuals and performance. And thanks to advanced cooling design inside this compact chassis, you don't have to worry about overheating or noisy fans ruining your gaming or streaming sessions. Another great benefit is the 3-year warranty and lifetime user support from Geek+. So if you ever run into issues, help is just a call or message away. In summary, the Intel NUC12 Enthusiast Gaming Mini PC is a rare blend of power, portability, and premium features. It's perfect for gamers who want a clean, space-saving setup without sacrificing performance. It's equally great for professionals needing a compact, multi-display workstation. If you want a sleek, high-performance PC that fits in the palm of your hand but performs like a beast, the NUC12 Serpent Canyon should be at the top of your list. Don't miss out on owning one of the most exciting compact gaming PCs of 2025. Whether you're building a minimalist gaming station, a portable streaming rig, or a powerful workstation, this mini PC delivers top-tier performance with all the bells and whistles you expect from a premium Intel powered machine.